Welcome back to Motor Masters, your go-to channel for the latest automotive reviews, insights, and comparisons. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its sleek design, refined performance, and advanced technology. Mazda has always been known for its driver-centric philosophy, and the CX-5 is no exception. The 2025 model carries forward its premium styling while incorporating subtle updates to enhance its appeal. The exterior remains elegant, featuring Mazda's signature Kodo design language, with a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sculpted body that exudes sophistication. Depending on the trim level, it offers 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels, and the higher trims come with adaptive LED lighting for improved visibility. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to offer two engine choices. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. For those craving more power, Mazda provides the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when using premium fuel. The turbocharged variant enhances the driving experience, offering quick acceleration and a sportier feel, making it one of the more engaging SUVs in its class. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus ensures precise handling and stability, making every drive a joy. Inside, the CX-5's cabin is a showcase of Mazda's attention to detail. The driver-focused cockpit features high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and available Nappa leather upholstery for a more luxurious feel. A 10.25-inch infotainment display comes standard, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the 12-speaker Bose premium sound system in the higher trims ensures an immersive audio experience. The digital instrument cluster, available in select trims, adds a modern touch, while the heads-up display provides crucial driving information without distracting the driver. Mazda prioritizes safety, and the CX-5 is equipped with the iActive Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert. The 2025 model also improves on driver assistance technology, offering a more refined traffic jam assist system, which helps in stop-and-go traffic situations. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the CX-5, with the standard engine delivering around 26 mpg city and 31 mpg highway, while the turbocharged model achieves slightly lower but still respectable numbers. With its well-balanced performance, premium interior, and class-leading driving dynamics, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to be a top contender in the compact SUV segment. That's all for today's review on Motor Masters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mazda CX-5 and whether it's the right SUV for you. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.